Hi everyone, welcome to our new recipe for today, the kofta kebab balls with potato. To prepare the kofta kebab mixture, we need half kilogram of ground beef patty, 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano thyme, 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of 7 spices, 3 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of paprika. To prepare the potato balls, we need 4 potato pieces cut into squares, 3 tablespoons of liquid milk, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of crusty mint, 1 tablespoon of 7 spices and salt. To prepare the tomato sauce, we need 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 cups of water and salt. In boiled water, we add the potato pieces and keep until cooked. In a pot, we put the ground beef patty, then we add the chopped cabbage and the chopped onion. Then we add the finely chopped garlic, the chopped parsley, the spices and salt. We add the flour and the vegetable oil and mix very well by hand. We add the egg to the mixture and mix well. Now we prepare the kofta balls and place in a tray. After placing all the balls in the tray, we stretch the balls in this manner. Now we place the tray in the oven for about 15 minutes over medium heat. At this time, we drain the potatoes and we add the mozzarella cheese and the spices and salt. We add the liquid milk and mix very well. We make potato balls and keep aside. After the beef is cooked, we place the potato balls above the beef pieces in this manner. Aside, we prepare the tomato sauce by adding 2 cups of water to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and stir very well. We add the tomato sauce over the plate. And finally, we sprinkle the cheese over the pieces and place the tray into the oven until the cheese becomes red in color. Serve with white rice. This is our recipe for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like our video.